Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression. Already, we have discussed an algorithm to convert infix to postfix expression, and also we have implemented with two examples. This is the third example. Convert the following infix expression into postfix expression. This is the given infix expression. Okay. And this infix expression, you need to convert it into postfix expression. And for this conversion, you need three columns. One is what is the current infix character you are scanning, and what is the status of the stack, and what is the postfix expression after conversion. So the algorithm is whenever you are encountering an open parenthesis, directly push it onto the stack. If it is a character or a digit in the sense, directly place it in the postfix expression. Whenever you are encountering an operator, check the top element of the stack, whether there is an operator. If there is an operator, compare with the incoming operator. If it is a lower precedence operator, that is the incoming operator is a lower precedence operator in the sense, stack top element operator is a higher precedence operator, then pop the operator and place it in the postfix expression and then push the lower precedence operator into the stack. Suppose if there is no operator on the top of the stack in the sense, directly push this current incoming operator into the stack. Suppose if there is a higher precedence operator, that is the incoming operator is a higher precedence operator, and in the stack top element operator is the lower precedence operator, you can push it onto the stack. Okay, you can place the higher precedence operator above the lower precedence operator. That is possible. But you should not place a lower precedence operator above the higher precedence operator in the stack. That is the condition. Okay, that's why we are doing the comparison. Once all the infix character is scanned, finally, if you are following all these steps, you will get the postfix expression. That is the infix expression converted it into a postfix expression. Okay, so here this is the given infix expression. Here, no need to place the closed parenthesis at the end of the infix expression and pushing an open parenthesis into the stack. Since here itself there is an open parenthesis and closed parenthesis at the start and end of the infix expression. So first, what is the character you are going to scan? It is an open parenthesis. So if it is an open parenthesis, directly place it on the stack. And currently there is no postfix expression. Second character is open parenthesis. Then open parenthesis in the sense, place it on the stack, that is push it onto the stack. There is no postfix expression currently. Next is a character H. So if it is a character or a digit in the sense, place it in the postfix expression. So H, you should place it in the postfix expression. Next is the star operator. Check the top element of the stack whether there is an operator. There is no operator on the top element of the stack. So this operator, you can push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is H1. Next is 4 open parentheses. Okay, so 4 open parentheses, you have to push it onto the stack. What is the open parenthesis? Directly push it onto the stack. Okay, so all 4 open parentheses, you push it onto the stack. Now, next is character B. If there is a character in the sense, directly place it in the postfix expression. Okay, so postfix expression now is HA. Next is operator plus. So top element of the stack, whether there is an operator, no, it is an open parenthesis. So this operator, you can push it onto the stack. So plus, you push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is HA only. Next is 2 open parentheses. So open parenthesis in the sense, directly push it onto the stack. So you should be careful about these open parentheses. You should not miss anything. Okay. So here in this step, 1 open parenthesis. And in the next step, you have to push 1 more open parenthesis. Okay. Plus 1, 2 open parenthesis. Postfix expression is HA only. Next is the operand, that is B. So here stack, it is as it is. Since it is an operand, you have to place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is HAB, and then it is a plus operator. And check the top element of the stack, it is an open parenthesis only, there is no operator. If there is an operator, you need to compare. If there is no operator, directly push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is HAB only. Next comes the operand C. So if it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. HAB C, you will get it. And here the stack contents are same as it is, no changes in this. Okay. And the next comes the closed parenthesis. Whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you are encountering the first open parenthesis, whatever the elements present in the stack, pop it and place it in the postfix expression. So here you need to pop plus and place it in the postfix expression. And then you need to discard this open and closed parenthesis. Okay. So here, whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you encounter the first open parenthesis, whatever the elements present in the stack, here only one element, that is plus operator, pop the element and place it in the postfix expression. Okay. And then discard this closed parenthesis and corresponding open parenthesis. Okay. Then what you will get here, plus and then one open parenthesis you will get. You have to discard this open parenthesis and its corresponding closed parenthesis. Okay. And next comes the star operator. Top element of the stack content is an open parenthesis only. So you can push this operator into the stack. So here you will get the contents as it is, and then the multiplication operator you have to push it onto the stack. Okay. And the postfix expression as it is you will get, that is H, A, B, C plus you will get it. And next character you need to scan here is D. D is an operand. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. Already the postfix expression is HABC plus, and now it is D. And the stack content is 2 open parenthesis star, then 4 open parenthesis plus, and then open parenthesis star, and then 2 closed parenthesis. Next 2 closed parenthesis you need to encounter. So whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you will encounter the first open parenthesis. So first open parenthesis is here, and only one element is there. You have to pop this star operator and place it in the postfix expression. So here you will get HABC plus D star, you will get it. Okay. And the stack contents will be 2 open parenthesis star, then 4 open parenthesis, then plus operator you will get it. This corresponding open and closed parenthesis you have to discard. And next also it is a closed parenthesis. So until you will encounter the first open parenthesis, you have to pop the element from the stack and place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression will be HABC plus D star, and then this plus operator you need to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. After popping this closed parenthesis and its corresponding open parenthesis, you need to discard. Okay. And the stack contents will be 2 open parenthesis and then star, and then 3 open parentheses will be there. Next is star operator, and top element of the stack, it is a open parenthesis only. So you can push this star operator into the stack. No need to do any comparison since the top element of the stack is not an operator, it is a open parenthesis only. And the stack contents will be H, A, B, C plus D star plus. And then it is F. F is an operand. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is HABC plus D star plus and then F. And then it is a closed parenthesis. So until you will encounter the first 2 open parenthesis, pop the element from the stack and place it in the postfix expression. So now the postfix expression is HABC plus D star plus F star, you will get it. And the stack content will be 2 open parentheses and then star and then 2 open parentheses, you will get it. This corresponding open and closed parentheses you need to discard. Okay. Next is star operator. If it is an operator, push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression, if you are considering, it is same only. HABC plus D star plus F star, you will get it. And then comes the operand G. So if it is an operand, place it in the postfix expression. And the stack contents as it is only. And the postfix expression will be HABC plus D star plus F star and then G you have to add it here. Next comes the closed parenthesis. Whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis until you encounter the first open parenthesis. This is the first open parenthesis. Pop the content of the stack and place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression will be HABC plus A star plus F star G. And then this star you need to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. And then you need to discard this corresponding open and closed parenthesis. Now the stack content will be 2 open parenthesis, star and 1 open parenthesis. Next is the star operator. So if it is a star operator, push it onto the stack. Okay, if the top element of the stack is not an operator, otherwise you need to do a comparison. Here the top element of the stack is an open parenthesis only. So push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression, there is no change, it is same only. Okay, and next comes the operand E. So since E is an operand, you need to add it to the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is HABC plus E star plus F star G star and then you need to add this operand E. And the stack content will be 2 open parenthesis, star and then open parenthesis, star. Okay. And next is 2 closed parenthesis. This step 1 closed parenthesis, this step also 1 closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you will encounter a first open parenthesis, pop the element from the stack and place it in the postfix expression. So here you need to pop star and place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is HABC plus D star plus F star G star E and then this star you have to place it here. And the stack content will be 2 open parenthesis and star. And you need to discard this open parenthesis and its corresponding closed parenthesis. And next also it is a closed parenthesis only. So until you will encounter the first open parenthesis, pop the elements from the stack. There are more elements, more than one element in the sense, one by one you need to pop the top element and place it in the postfix expression. Now you have to pop the star and place it in the postfix expression. HABC plus D star plus F star G star E star and then this star you have to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. Next comes the plus operator. And here what is the stack content? Only open parenthesis will be there. Next incoming operator is the plus operator. Top element of the stack is an open parenthesis. So push it onto the stack. This plus operator you need to push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is same only. The same content only will be written here. Okay. And then comes the operand J. If it is an operand, directly place it in the postfix expression. Stack content will be open parenthesis and plus only. And the postfix expression is HABC plus D star plus F star G star E double star. And then you have to add this operand J. Okay. And then comes the closed parenthesis. This is the last character you need to scan in infix expression. Until you will encounter the first open parenthesis, pop the element from the stack. Here only one element, that is the plus operator, pop it and place it in the postfix expression. So here the postfix expression will be HABC plus D star plus F star G star E double star and then J and then this plus operator you need to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. Okay, and then discard this corresponding open and closed parenthesis. Now the stack is empty. Okay, there is no content in the stack and we have scanned all the input character in the given infix expression. Suppose you have scanned all the infix character and still there is a stack content in the sense, after scanning the last character, if there is an element remains in the stack in the sense, one by one each element you need to pop it from the top and place it in the postfix expression. Okay. Now this is the final postfix expression you will get it for this given infix expression. HABC plus D star plus F star G star E double star J plus. Plus is there here. Okay. So this is the postfix expression, corresponding postfix expression for this given infix expression. And this is the procedure to convert the infix expression into postfix expression. Still few more examples we will discuss for better understanding. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.